Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can send money to Afghanistan. So let's first talk about the government corporation. RIA operate in Afghanistan through partnership with local financial institutions like Azizi Bank. These collaborations are essential for facilitating international transfer. And here if we talk about how you can receive your money in Afghanistan. In Afghanistan, RIA partnership with Azizi Bank to facilitate money transfer. Recipient can collect funds through Azizi Bank branches. And if you talk about the process, first you have to go and you have to provide required documents like a valid ID, and you have to provide them your money transfer control pin that your sender will provide you, your sender's name and address. And then here you have currency options. Recipient can choose to receive funds in USD or AFN, and here you have transaction limit as well. You can do up to 3000 USD dollar per person within 30 days, and here maximum of 5 transactions. You can do up to 5000 per person within 90 days, and here you have maximum of 8 transactions. Transfers are intended for personal use such as family support or travel expenses, not for the commercial purpose. Here you can also contact Aziz Bank, and here if I share contact information with you of the Aziz Bank, the address is Zenbek Square, Main Road, Kabul, Afghanistan, and the email is customerservice@azizbankaf. And you can also contact even the RIA money transfer. The website is www.riamoneytransfer.com. You can ask for help from the customer support, which is available through a website and app. Debit and credit card payment funds typically available within minutes. And if you talk about the bank transfer, it may take up to 4 business days. And for the cash payment at agent location, process time basically varies here. Funds are usually available within 1 business days. And here if we talk about the process how you can send money, you have to open your RIA account, and there you have to go to the send tab, and from here you can send money to whichever country you want. Here I have selected Afghanistan. Now here just you have to go and you have to enter your amount that you want to send, and here you have to select a payment method. You can go with bank account, credit card or debit card. It's totally up to you. Here you can also see the transfer time. You can see that for bank payment it will take 4 business days, and for cards it will take 15 minutes, and for cash it will take 1 day. You can select a one payment method, and then here you have to select a delivery method. Like if you want to do bank-to-bank transactions or cash pickup, you can select a delivery method here. After providing all this information, just simply go and click on continue. Now here you have to provide the recipient information, recipient's address, name, and after that you can see your detail that you have filled, and if you're okay you can go and you can click on send, and your money will gonna be transferred to anybody in Afghanistan. That's basically how it works. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.